Alright guys, well, as I promised, this is getting replaced today. The original garage Moto, slim, low profile LED taillight, and I'm gonna just do it really quick because it's a really quick install. I'm not gonna give you all these like 3/16ths or anything. Just find a fucking screwdriver that seems to work and fit and get this thing out and plug the other one in, basically. But I will tell a few details. All right, so just before I fully got everything on, I wanted to do a little comparison just on how different they are. And you have 4, 8, 12 LEDs here in the Harley-Davidson, which are, like I said, fine. They work. You have lights up here for the license plate, which kind of barely covers mine. And then you have this, and I don't remember how many, but I'll post a link to it. I love that it's black and it has that kind of old school look to the way the plastic now is kind of molded. Kind of I don't know if it diffuses anything, but it kind of just looks cool. That is, in my opinion, a very, very different profile, and I like it a lot. I don't feel like so I had to this screw here, there's a block, you can't take the screw out, so I had to break that. And the fitting around here, the edges here aren't really, they're not really there. I mean, it's not great. I'm gonna put it on and you'll see what I'm talking about. Pretty happy. I think it was a pretty good, pretty cool looking taillight, man. And having that black on black with that little ring of chrome, yeah, pretty good. All right, guys, like and subscribe. Helps me out a lot. We got new things coming. A seat, headlight, LED lights in the rear. I'm going to replace probably because the white kind of weird. Other than that, it's just gotta keep on coming. After I'm done with the 1,000 mile, the service, I'm probably gonna start looking at some other things. So this is a never-ending journey.